Well, it's hard to forget the horrific images of the Hard Rock Hotel collapsing in 2019, killing 3 workers and injuring more than a dozen. Next month marks 4 years since that terrible day, and that means time is running out to press criminal charges against someone for causing the collapse. David Hammer reports this week could be make or break for a grand jury investigation.
They have been really amazing.
It took almost 4 years for Angela Magretta to get a tomb for her beloved twin, Anthony Bubba Magretta.
We finally got him in his final resting place.
Bubba was working on the Hard Rock Hotel construction project on October 12, 2019, when it collapsed, crushing him and 2 other workers to death.
It's been 1,423 days today that building fell and took my brother from me. So the pain from that day is still the pain to this day.
The top 3 floors of 18 pancaked just 2 days after a concerned worker took this video showing the 16th floor crushing some of the temporary supports underneath it. Here's our translation of the Spanish speaker who took that video.
Look at this, Papa. Look at how it's bent already. They couldn't remove it because it's too bent and it has too much pressure.
In October 2021, on the 2nd anniversary of the collapse, Orleans Parish District Attorney Jason Williams sat down with us and promised to bring a criminal investigation to a grand jury. By that point, our exclusive investigation had already uncovered construction blueprints, internal emails, project photographs, even a secret government report, all pointing to major deficiencies in the steel used to support the upper 3 floors.
This should not have happened, and we have an obligation to look for criminal responsibility wherever it lies here, and we're absolutely going to do it.
I hope and pray every day that somebody's going to be held accountable for killing my brother. I don't call it an accident. I don't. It's crazy that I look forward to being able to change his death certificate from accident to negligent homicide.
The Federal Workforce Safety Agency, OSHA, did its own investigation and found serious and willful violations by Metairie-based Heaslip Engineering. But owner James Heaslip denies any wrongdoing and contested the violations. Heaslip's administrative case has been delayed now at least 5 times in the last 3 years. The court scheduled a conference for Heaslip and the Federal Labor Department to finalize the case, but that only just happened 2 weeks ago. Meanwhile, OSHA still hasn't produced its final report on what caused the collapse, not even to the district attorney.
We know there's guilty parties. We know what they did was wrong. How is it taking this long? Why is it taking this long for them to pull out reports?
Williams's office gave us this statement last week. Despite our repeated requests, multiple stakeholders have failed to turn over information relevant to the collapse. As we have done for the last 2+ years, we will continue to gather information for review in our investigation and are cognizant that the time limitation to bring criminal charges is on the horizon. That legal deadline to file criminal charges is now just over 1 month away. Quinyon Wimberly died in the collapse, and his brother Frank is already preparing for the possibility that nobody will be charged.
Would it be a disappointment if something is not done? Yes, but we're prepared either way.
Sources with direct knowledge tell us the grand jury is meeting again tomorrow. It's scheduled to hear testimony from 2 top members of the construction team. Angela hopes they stay focused on justice for her brother, Wimberly, and the 3rd worker killed, Jose Ponce Areola.
They went to work and they didn't get to come home. Please help us. Please. We've been begging for almost 4 years. Please help us.
Now, there is one other potential avenue for criminal charges for the 3 city inspectors who failed to show up for safety inspections before the collapse. The Inspector General recommended charges for malfeasance and injuring public records for those employees, but Williams has said he's more focused on who actually caused the collapse. Katie?
All right, David, more to come. Thank you.